Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by connecting the Elite controller and confirming the essentials. Plug a USB-C cable into your PC or pair with Bluetooth in settings. Choose Wired for firmware updates. Then open the Xbox Accessories app so the controller is immediately detected. Once done, glance at the firmware and profile indicators. They tell you whether an update or profile sync is required. Make sure battery level is sufficient because low power can interrupt configuration or firmware flashing. You now customize the core inputs for performance and comfort. In Xbox Accessories, pick a profile or create a new one, then remap face buttons and paddles to preferred functions. Next, adjust stick sensitivity and dead zones to reduce drift and improve precision. Change trigger dead zones or set trigger locks for faster activation. Save the profile either to the controller's internal memory or to your Microsoft account for cloud access, and use the built-in calibration test to confirm every change behaves as expected. You finish by updating firmware and doing final checks. Install any available firmware updates in the app, then test the controller in a game to verify vibration, dead zones, and paddle mappings feel right. Make small tweaks to vibration intensity or lighting if supported, and back up profiles to the cloud so you can restore them later. If something goes wrong, reboot your PC, repair, or use another USB port, and then rerun calibration. This usually resolves connectivity or input issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.